Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn near, nearer and nearest. First of all, what is the meaning of near? Near means close. See in this picture we can see this girl is very close to the car. So this girl is near to car. So for near, nearer and nearest, let us listen a story. Once upon a time there was a mango tree. That mango tree gave very delicious mangoes. But now it had only one mango left on it. Then a bird came near the tree. So that was the bird number one. That bird was near to the tree. Now, bird was very tired because it came from a long distance. So the bird thought to take some rest for a while. Then suddenly one more bird came and that bird was nearer to the tree as compared to the first bird. Second bird was nearer to the tree. Now what happened? Suddenly one more bird came and it was nearest to the tree as compared to the other two birds. So that was the third bird and it was nearest to the tree as compared to other two birds. So हिंदी में नियर का मतलब है नज़दीक, नियरर अधिक नज़दीक, नियरेस्ट सबसे नज़दीक. Bird number one was near. Near means it is close to the tree. Near means that bird was close to the tree. But if we see bird number 2 and 3, these two birds are more close to the tree as compared to bird number 1. So near is a term which is used for the distance, close distance. But for nearer and nearest, here we are comparing with someone else. If there are two children, then we will use either nearer or nearest if we are comparing their distance. So nearer and nearest are the term used for comparing distance with someone else, something else, like this. अगर सिर्फ एक है, एक बर्ड है तो हम नज़दीक बोलेंगे, नज़दीक. अगर एक से ज़्यादा बर्ड हैं तो हम फिर कंपेयर करेंगे कौन ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, तो हम अधिक नज़दीक, सबसे नज़दीक. तीन है तो हम तीन टर्म यूज़ करेंगे, नज़दीक, अधिक नज़दीक, सबसे नज़दीक. नियर, नियरर, नियरेस्ट. Let us learn about far, farther and farthest. Far means a long distance, like sun, like moon, sun are very far from us. So they are far. Let's take an example. Once Pinku, Rinku and Minku were going to have a race. They started the race. After a few minutes, Rinku was far from the starting line and Minku was farther from the starting line because she covered more distance from the starting line. At the same time, Pinku was farthest from the starting line because he covered the maximum distance from among all these three. So far means at a distance from any point, farther means more distance from that point, farthest means maximum distance from that point. So the term far we can use for single person, but if we have more than one person, then we can use farther and farthest to compare the distance covered by all these three. So farther and farthest are used to compare the distance. Nearer and farther. Tick the bird nearer to home. So there are two birds. You have to tick the bird which is nearer to home. Nearer means which is more close to the home. So out of these two birds, which one is more close to home? First one. So this pink bird is more close to the home. This bird will be nearer to home. So you will mark tick on this pink bird. Take the cat farther from the tree. So which cat is farther from the tree? Means which cat has more distance from the tree. So this cat which is behind the stone is farther from the tree. So you will mark tick on this cat. Nearest and farthest. So here this boy is nearest to the swing and this girl is farthest from the swing, because the distance of this boy from the swing is less and the distance of this girl from the swing is more. Far means distance, more. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. So out of these 4 puppies, the last one is farthest from the tree because its distance from the tree is highest. Next one, pick the tree nearest to the bird. So the first one tree near to the pink bird. So you will mark tick on this tree. Thank you for watching the video.